Why does your scanner show the P2647 engine code? What does it mean? P2647 is a diagnostic trouble code for a rocker arm actuator system stuck on bank 1. This engine code indicates that this code, often found in Honda and Acura vehicles, signals a problem within the VTEC system, which uses oil pressure to change valve lift for better engine performance. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Low or dirty engine oil. Faulty VTEC solenoid or oil pressure switch. Clogged oil filter screen. Electrical issues. Defective oil control valve or linkage. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in Honda and Acura vehicles. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.